Recently, Demetri brought his Subaru Forester to us after a serious accident. Someone made an illegal U-turn and crashed into him, leaving his car with significant front-end damage. Thankfully, no one was hurt, but the stress of dealing with insurance, repairs, and being without a vehicle was weighing on him. When he walked through our doors, we could see the concern on his face. His Subaru wasn't just transportation, it was part of his daily life. From the moment Demetri stepped in, our team took care of everything. We worked directly with his insurance company, handled the paperwork, and made sure he knew exactly what to expect. Our goal is always to make the repair process as smooth as possible because we know accidents are already stressful enough. As we assessed the damage, our expert technicians got to work, ensuring every detail was addressed. From the crushed front fender to the damaged hood and headlights, we restored the vehicle to its original condition, if not better. Every part of the repair process was handled with precision because we know that when you get your car back, you want it to feel just as safe and reliable as before. When Demetri picked up his Subaru, his reaction made all the effort worth it. He was extremely happy with the entire process, mentioning how easy and seamless everything felt. But what really stood out was what he said next. "My wife scratched her car, and I'm thinking about bringing it over and paying out of pocket to get it fixed." Hearing a customer express not just satisfaction but a desire to return for additional services is the greatest compliment we could ask for. In an industry as competitive as auto collision repair, trust is everything. The fact that people continue to choose us, refer friends and family, and rely on our expertise speaks volumes. We don't take this trust lightly. Every day we strive to provide the best service possible, not just in repairs, but in customer care. We know that for many, choosing an auto body shop isn't just about fixing a car, it's about finding a place that stands by its work and puts customers first. To Demetri and all our clients, thank you. Thank you for trusting us, thank you for choosing us time and time again, and thank you for allowing us to continue to do what we love, restoring not just cars, but peace of mind. If you ever need auto body repair, whether through insurance or out of pocket, come see the experts at Moreno Auto Collision. We'll treat you like family every step of the way.